Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm going to show you the Zilliqa live price prediction and technical analysis. So before starting this video, I request you click the subscribe button right now. Please complete my 2K subscriber. I will be very happy and I will be very thankful to you. Please complete my 2K subscriber. Click the subscribe button right now. So let's see the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies the last 1 hour is and analytics. So as you can see now, oh my god, it's gone wrong, as you can see here, the change is negative 8% and the high change is positive 0 and the high change is $0.1676 is the high change of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. And this time Zilliqa cryptocurrencies are going wrong and the current price of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies as 0.1542 as the current price of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. So I suggest you sell it. So and this is the live price prediction of last 1 hour you are watching now. So let's see the live price prediction. As you can see now on the graph, they are falling down. The trend down starts now, and their dumping is start now. The Zilliqa cryptocurrencies dumping are start now. I said their dumping you are in the loss. So I'm sorry to say that, but that's the reality of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies, and that's last hour. So that is the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies you are watching now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please complete my 2K subscriber.